Hello, my YouTube and Facebook friends. I finally got it done. I also changed it a little bit. I made some action in this conveyor belt. And this is a Canadian flag, as you can see. It's on top of it. It means that the machine is in motion. And the container crane. I can flip the switch here. And then you can see it's also in motion. So it looks actually pretty good once the train gets under there. I left the ceiling lights off so you can see it a little bit better. So we'll make a stop here to do its thing. And of course there's going to be more cars. This is just to show you. And then it goes under the conveyor belt. The height is measured, it should work. Perfect. I'm coming back. See, the height is perfect. So this conveyor belt comes originally with two wheels. It's a dock crane from Cox. It was called Trainscapes or something like that. And it was incomplete. The belt does move, but the motor, the wheel is smooth like a baby's butt. So it just won't move the belt anymore. So I left the motor out and I put some there's a guy in there and some crates in there. Maybe you can see it better from the other side. Anyways, I put some stuff in there, you can see it. And here is the machinery of that thing. It's kind of hard to show you here. But you can see it on a picture I posted earlier. So that means it's action. I can shut it off, of course, but oh, I like it. So yeah, it was quite the operation. This morning, I posted earlier, this morning I started with the resistors, not to forget it, because I had it all wired up, but it just gave up on me, because I put a 9-volt battery here to try it, and well, they all popped. It's like 3 volts, that's it. They're bead lights from the dollar store. And then how I hooked it up, I promise you to show you that. As you can see, the 9.75 volt, it's about 10, just over 10 volt DC. For some reason it does that, from AC to DC. Here is the voltage regulator. They're both hooked up there. As you can see, I marked it. Green yellow is the conveyor belt, and red black is the container crane. They're both hooked up to my homemade bridge rectifier with the power regulator. This is I think this is the 12 volt. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, this is the 7812, so that is 12 volt. So it's not warm at all. The capacitor is not warm. That is just to make it nice and smooth. And here is the same one for the 5 volt. I don't have use for it yet. So, and I found another one. I think this is from a laptop. This is 5 volts. It's on the bottom of this part. It's 5 volt, 4 amperes. Oh, I really like that, because I just can load her up. 4 amperes before I'm there with LEDs, because that's what I'm going to use this for. Man, I have 2 train layouts lit up with that. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. And then under the table, it's kind of messy. And I am marking it, as you can see. And I am slowly organizing it. I don't like drilling through my beams if I don't have to. I can just use those brackets for copper water pipe or PEX. I'm going to use them. And I always leave a loop of wire. I'm going to have to loop this and tighten it up. And that's tomorrow's job. I didn't get to the loco shed yet. It took a little longer to this loco shed. It took a little longer with the conveyor belt, but that's tomorrow's project. It will get hooked up this week anyways. And then this light too. This blink light, this warning light for the height. That is, I seen it. I just don't want to do it right now. That is here. So I just have to hook it up. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you the next time. Cheerio.